explosions.
India 2017. What is the cause of this fire? An oil pipeline was ruptured.
China 2013. What is the cause? Pipeline explosion.
Carbon monoxide is a gas that is found in fires and gas leaks. It is a deadly gas that is often referred to as a silent killer because it is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Our drone is designed and equipped to detect carbon monoxide gas before it reaches deadly levels to prevent large losses.
Our drone utilizes an MQ7 carbon monoxide sensor to measure the carbon monoxide gas levels in the air. We have also added propeller guards to ensure that if the propellers hit any object, they do not break or get damaged. Additionally, we have added extra padding for a safer landing.
It has an embedded code that will sound the buzzer before dangerous levels of CO accumulate in an environment, giving people the chance to properly ventilate or evacuate an area.
As you can see, the ppm values are rising, which shows that there is more carbon monoxide in the air. Therefore, the buzzer is sounding.
Due to personal reasons, one of our teammates wasn't able to make it. I'm Nida.
I'm Zonaira,
and we are the Diva Drones.